91% of consumers faced frustrating digital service issues in the past year, endangering revenue, customer loyalty, and brand reputation. Based on 223 million user sessions and a survey of 4,000 consumers in the US and UK, the study underscores the critical need for flawless digital interactions in a competitive, attention-driven economy. The recent report of Conviva's 2025 State of Digital Experience highlights the pressing concern. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Poor digital performance has immediate consequences. That is 55% abandoned purchases, 50% switch to competitors, and 39% cancel subscriptions after negative experiences. Even minor increases in negative interactions significantly impact engagement, while services with 99% positive experiences see users spend 6.5 times longer. Consumer frustration is rising, with 39% reporting anger and 11% experiencing physical discomfort from digital failures. Common problems include broken links, app crashes, and login issues. Notably, 25% of users abandon transactions exceeding 10 seconds, and each 1% increase in negative interactions reduces revisit likelihood by the same percentage within a week. A perception gap exists, that is, 49% of consumers feel companies ignore their struggles. Yet, 93% return to services with consistently high-quality digital experiences. In sectors like hospitality, exceptional digital interactions can even overweigh negative reviews. Frictionless digital experiences are essential to retain customers and revenue. The report advises businesses to address persistent points of friction using real-time analytics and automation, turning seamless digital experiences into a strategic competitive advantage. Let's look into today's headlines. Manufacturing iPhones in US may raise prices to $3,000 from $1,000. Industry experts have stated that if the US starts manufacturing iPhones in the US as compared to India, it will cost $3,000, which is almost 3 times the current cost of $1,000 per iPhone. These reactions come in the wake of President Donald Trump's statement when he said that he has spoken with the Apple CEO Tim Cook and asked him to limit Apple's expansion in India. AMD and Humane sign $10 billion collaboration to advance global AI. AMD and Humane, Saudi Arabia's new AI enterprise, have announced a landmark agreement to build the world's most open, scalable, resilient, and cost-efficient AI infrastructure that will power the future of global intelligence through a network of AMD-based AI computing centers stretching from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to the United States. As part of the agreement, the parties will invest up to $10 billion to deploy 500 megawatts of AI compute capacity over the next 5 years. SAP announces security updates to combat active attacks. SAP has announced massive security updates addressing several critical vulnerabilities across its enterprise software portfolio. The most urgent fixes target 2 zero-day flaws in SAP NetWeaver Visual Composer, which have already been exploited by attackers. The vulnerabilities allow unauthenticated attackers to remotely upload and execute malicious files on vulnerable SAP servers. These flaws could lead to full system compromise, data theft, and service disruption if left unpatched. Meta defers release of its Behemoth AI model. Meta Platforms is delaying the release of its flagship Behemoth AI model owing to concerns about its capabilities. The company engineers are struggling to significantly improve the capabilities of its Behemoth large language model, resulting in staff questions about whether improvements over earlier versions are significant enough to justify public release. Behemoth was internally scheduled for release in April to coincide with Meta's inaugural AI conference for developers. Amazon lays off 100 employees in devices division amid cost-cutting drive. Amazon has laid off approximately 100 employees from its devices and services division, which oversees products like Echo, Fire TV, and Ring. The company cited routine business reviews and efforts to improve efficiency as reasons for the job cuts. According to Amazon, the layoffs are part of a broader strategy to align teams with its evolving product roadmap and streamline operations. While specific teams weren't disclosed, the move reflects a larger restructuring. Amazon previously trimmed roles in its Alexa unit in 2023, signaling ongoing evaluation of this segment. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.